What's poppin', yo? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some bread, how to get some bread, and how to make some bread. If you're gonna put in the work, if you're not gonna put in the work, bro, don't even watch this video to end, bro. Cause you're not. If you don't put in work, you don't get nothing. If you don't put in work, you gotta put in work, bro. You gotta struggle. You gotta go through stuff so you can make that bread, bro. It's easy bread, but you gotta, you gotta go for it. You gotta willing to do something to get it. You feel me? First, I'm gonna show you guys. You guys gonna go ahead and go here, though. All right. And second, you're gonna go to earn and credits and free gifts. So once you here, bro, you can really earn a lot of stuff here, by the way. So you're gonna go ahead and click where it says cash reward. All right, where it says cash reward. So once you here, hold on, I'm pretty sure I pressed the wrong one. Yeah, I pressed the wrong one. Okay, let me go back. So once you click cash reward, right? So once you here, once you press the cash reward, you can choose some easy games. Hold on, I gotta show you guys. So what they're gonna do is once you win this money, you can cash out to your PayPal account. That way you can get paid instantly from Temu. I've got paid from Temu so many times, and I'll show you guys how I got it. So as you see here, we have our currently balance. Our currently balance is $74 right now. All right. So we will need to reach 100. We only need 26 more to go to claim $100 from this app. As you see here, the lettuce. As you see here on the side, you can see people who these are how many people I did give. It did give me $20 for real, very real. I almost got $500 now. If you see that, so if you click on it, I'm pretty sure. See, almost all these people right here, they're getting their money, bro, like back to back. I love Temu. I make TikTok video for reviews. See that? Sent to PayPal immediately, quick and easy. See that? So this is free money, bro. You don't have to worry about nothing. Just put in the work, and you should receive it. You feel me? So what you want to do right here, you're gonna want to go ahead and click draw so you can spin it. So the more you spin, the more chance you have to spin, the more chance you have to win and withdraw the money to your PayPal account. So let's go ahead and try spin it. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So the first one we just got is $3, which will double up to 4. I'm assuming. Yeah, to 6. So once you guys are here, as you see, we only have like 16 more, like 20 more chances. So you guys gonna want to go ahead and keep on clicking withdraw. If you have good chances, you can claim like literally 100 within same day. So as you see, we got like what you call it. All right, we got 85 right now. We only got 50 more to go. As you see right there, we only got 50 more to go. Go ahead and click there. You see, I told you guys, the more chance we have to spin this thing, the more chance we have to withdraw our money quicker from Temu. So yeah, let's keep on going. All right, no, doubled up 4. All right, we are 989. All right, so now what you guys will need is, so as you see right now, our drawing, we only have like one more chance. We can go ahead and click that. We just got $3 more. All right, we just went up, as you see. All right, so here's what I'm talking about. All right, so as you see there, you guys can literally see that we only Alex just won his $100. This guy just won his $100. You feel me? All these people winning $100, bro. Like you guys are just, man. If you honestly, if you don't put in the work, bro, if you don't put in the work, start earning. So as you guys can see, we only have 8 more to go to claim our first 100. So we're gonna want to keep on clicking, drawing this thing, so we can get a quicker and faster where we're going to. You feel me? We got 6 more to claim our first 100, guys. 6 more. So here's the trick. Here's where the work comes in. Okay. So they want you to share this link to your friends that who have the app or who do not have the app. So that way, you get to so that way you get to you get the chances to win 100, easy 100. So people are making a lot of banks with this app. I'm telling you guys honestly. All right. So you're gonna want to go ahead and click to invite to get more token. Okay, and you're gonna click copy link, and you're gonna send that link to your friend. So once your friend accept that link, you over here you're getting more tokens, so you can draw and spin that thing. Once you spin it, you over it. Once you spin it, so once you hit 5 or 6 times, once you spin here and you hit 6, that $100 is yours, bro. It's all yours. I'm telling you, it's all yours. It's all yours. But if you guys are content creator, make sure you guys check out my links down below. My links will be there, so that way you guys can see what I be using to record with, what mic and what phone I use and everything. All the links will be on Temu and everything. So and make sure you guys subscribe, by the way. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. I'm doing a big giveaway right now. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later though.